Hello student, welcome to my channel. Myself Rajiv Maurya, and today we shall discuss some more topic that based on the number system. In last video we have discussed the basic definition and the concept which related to number system, and I hope you also understood everything. Today we shall start from a topic that is known as digit. So let us see what is digit. So digits are some symbols that are used to represent numbers, and they are 9 in number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These symbols are known as digit, which used to represent number. All the numbers, either they are small or they are large, all made up by these digits. Here, when we write the number using this digit indefinitely, then they are referred as natural number as well as whole number. These digits also the base of complete mathematics. Now let's see the next, that is the place value and face value. Place value and face values. What is the place value? It is clear from the name, the value of a digit in a number is defined by its place, is called its place value. In our life, we also familiar with some personalities which are famous by their post or their fabulous work. Like if we say addition, addition, Edison was a great American scientist who known for his incredible discovery, that is the electric bulb, so that its value, that is addition, is known for his work, that is the discovery of electric bulb. That is why Edison known for his place, and therefore the digit in the number that has value by its place is called place value. If I write the number 246, and if here we find out the place value of the digit 4, then we say that its place value is 40. Since the digit is 4 and its place is tens, that is why its place value is 40. So we define the place value, the value of digit which is defined by its place is called place value. And What is the face value? The digit of a number itself defines its face value. Suppose that PM Narendra Modi, if I say PM Modi, most of the time we see PM Modi in television, newspaper, magazine, etc. By just seeing his picture, we can easily say that he is the Prime Minister of India. So PM Modi is popular by his face as well as his work. But here my complete focus is to recognize the picture of PM Modi by his face, so we can say it has its face value. Therefore, we can say that if we find out the face value of 4, then the face value of 4 is only 4. And the face value is defined by the digit itself. Okay. Now let us see the chart of place value of some number. The numbers are categorized in two systems. The first is national number system and the other is international number system. Both are frequently same. There are slightly difference that I will show you later. So let us see what is the national number system. That is the Indian national system. So if I take a number, or we can say that the numbers in Indian national system or national number system, we write from ones, tens, thousand, lakh and crore. Sorry, hundred and thousand. Thousand and hundred. Here, the digit that present at one's place are written by only one digit. That is the 1. As we move from right to left, the number of digits continuously increases by one digit. At the place of 10, the number of digits become 2 and we write 10. Similarly, at 100, it becomes like this. When we arrive at the point 1000, it further divided into 3 parts. Okay, and sorry, 2 parts, not 3 parts into 2 parts. And this is 1000 and 10,000. So when we write 1000, then it only 1000 and 10,000. When the number of digits increased by one digit, then it convert into lakh, and again lakh also divided into 2 part, that is the 1 lakh and 10 lakh. Similarly, crore is again divided into 2, that is the 1 crore and 10 crore. Okay, so these are the number system in Indian number system or national number system. Here the numbers are categorized in this form, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crore. Here thousand divided into two parts, that is the 1000 and 10,000. Similarly, lakh divided into 1 lakh and 10 lakh, and crore also divided 1 crore and 10 crore. So this is the national number system, and we read as ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So this is the Indian number system. In international number system, thousand, lakh converted into million, crore converted into billion, and they are categorized into three parts. That is the thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, and 100 million. So let's see the international number system. The next is international number system. In international number systems, the numbers are starting from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, million, and billion. The number of digits in the number 1 is 1. Number of digits in 10 is 2. Number of digits in 100 is 3. 100. Number of digits in 1000 is categorized as for the thousand, 10,000, 100,000. And if we see the number of digits, we find is 4, 1, 2, 3. Number of digits are 4. In 10,000 number of digits are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we place the comma after 2 digits from, after 3 digits from right. Okay. Similarly, in 100,000, we say 100,000 like this. So this is the number which categorized under thousand in international number system. Okay. Let's see the million. The million is further divided into 3 subcategories, that is the million, 10 million, billion and 100 million. So here we write million, 10 million and 100 million. Similarly, billion is also divided. So these are the number systems which are used to define the number of digits in the small number as well as large. So student, I hope everything is clear. We shall meet in the next video with new topic. Till then, goodbye.